This year at Westport, we've been using Numicon all the way from
preschool
to Year 6.
We have our own Numicon sets and we can put them in our tray.
I like making 10s, 7 and 3 and 9 and 1.
I love making the numbers to make 10, like 6 and 4 makes 10 all together, and that's a rainbow fact. I can see with my Numicons, the 4 is bigger than the 2. At 7 is smaller than 10. 10 take away 2 equals 8.
We use Numicon blocks to recognise odd and even numbers or the odd numbers really easily because they're warm, like 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. All the even numbers are cool colours, just like 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. 10 plus 2 plus 3 equals 15, and then let's check how much it is. 15. 8 and 4 makes 12, and if I take away 4, it will be 8. In Year 2, we have been using Numicons to learn multiplication. We have been learning our multiplication facts, and Numicon pegs have helped us visualise those facts. We can use Numicon for repeated addition. Here I've got 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is the same as 4 times 4 equals 16.
This is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. It's the same as 5 times 3 and it equals 15.
In Year 3, we use Numicon for multiplication, division and fractions. In this lesson, we were using Numicon to help us solve worded problems. Numicon helps us visualize and see the problem.
Numicon has made maths even more fun and makes me feel confident.
We are representing division by using pegboards, like this one is 18 divided by 3 equals 6.
And it can also be used for multiplication, such as 3 times 6 equals 18 or 6 times 3 equals 18.
We can use pegboards to show remainders and division.
This problem is 18 divided by 4, and there's 4 in each group, but there is 2 remainders.
Instead of just working it all out in my head, I can show it on a pegboard.
Pegboards have helped me show my thinking a lot better than just writing it down on a piece of paper.
It helps me understand the concept at the beginning, and then I can move on after that.
We have our very own sets of Numicon in our trays. We can take them out whenever we feel like we need them, and they're also very useful. They make it really easy to visualise your thinking. We can use them in any concept in maths. We can make it 18 eighths, which would also be called 2 wholes and 2 eighths. So you can see the wholes and the eighths.
To find equivalent fractions, you have to find fractions equal or the same. That's 3/4. And to find it, a method is you could just double it.
I like using Numicon because it's very easy to use and easy to represent different fractions, decimals or percentages.
We use Numicons and pegs to represent fractions. This is 3/8, and if you add this, it would be 6/16, and if you add this, it would be 9/24.
We need to compare which fraction is bigger, 1/4 or 2/5, by adding them together until they get a number, which both of them have, which is 20. And this one has 5/20, and this one has 8/20. Therefore, 2/5 is bigger.
Here we use Numicon, and for an example, this is 1 whole, and each circle represents 1/100th. For example, this is a 4-piece Numicon block, and if I put it on the first 4 circles, it equals 4/100th or 0.04. We can use this for converting between units like fractions, percentages, and decimals.
We love using Numicon in the classroom.
We can't wait to use it more.